Just a quick one. 10-minute, we're gone. We're at 4500 Greenbush Avenue in Sherman Oaks, California, performing a video sewer inspection through the 4-inch mainline cleanout at the front of the house by the large tree area. The 4-inch line is ABS from the house to the property line out by the fence or the curb area. This has been replaced. It's all 4-inch ABS and appears to be in good condition. The 6-inch line going from the property line to the city sewer is a 6-inch clay line and has some moderate root intrusion. We couldn't really see it great going in, but when we pull out, we'll take a better look at it and see what condition it's really in.
Well, yeah.
That's the joint going to the city sewer saddle. There's a minor separation there. As you can see in between the pipe area. So you got a separation there at the saddle, but it's not terrible at this point. We'll pull back. There's another separation. We've got another one just beyond the saddle area. That's a pretty substantial separation. You can see the whole face of the pipe on the left-hand side. This area should be lined with this much of a separation before it separates more. We'll pull back. We've got some heavy root intrusion or moderate to heavy root intrusion in a couple areas, but it's not terrible. It's still maintainable at this point, but at some point it will end up shifting more and possibly severing. These joints, several of them look to be in pretty good condition. No major offsets, no major separations. Got some root intrusion in this one at the top. That's minor. Then we have some more heavier root intrusion at this joint off to the right. You can see it's growing in quite a bit. And we're coming back to another joint too. We have some pretty heavy root intrusion. You got about maybe 40 to 50% restricted at that point, and some offset and separation there a little bit. And then the next joint, you have some pretty heavy root intrusion as well. And then we're coming back in. We got some pretty substantial root intrusion at this one, and an offset right there at the 4 to 6 inch connection. So it would be advisable to line this, to dig it up at that point and line it while it's still lineable. And we'll go ahead and we'll mark this area out and locate and get our depth on this area right now.
This one came down.
Okay, we flagged and marked this area out by the property line at the 4 to 6 inch connection, which now we got some water running, so it's a lot harder to see. But this is a 4 to 6 inch connection where the ABS goes into the clay. And this area needs to be lined from this point. It needs to be dug up. It's about 6 foot 7 inches deep, and it should be lined from there out to the city sewer saddle connection. And we'll pull back, show the condition of the remainder of the line. It'll be a little bit difficult with all the water, but it's all ABS, good condition. No apparent problems anywhere in the 4 inch. Everything looks good. And that concludes our video sewer inspection of 4500 Greenbush Avenue in Sherman Oaks.